Okay, Min An, can you tell me what is this? What are these?
They are monkeys.
Okay, can you write do you know how to spell monkeys?
Yes.
Okay, you just have to write here. Okay, and you put S in the last one because there are three monkeys, so you put S. Can you? Okay. Okay, how about this one? What is this? What are these?
They are tiger.
Okay, can you write the word tiger? Do you know how to write the word tigers?
Yes.
Okay. And at the end, you write S because there are two tigers. Okay, so, okay, if you only see one, there's no need to put S. But if you see two or more animals, Min-an, just like the monkey, as you can see here, there are three monkeys, so you put S on the last sentence. Okay, now let's go to the next one. What is this?
This an elephant.
Okay, this is an elephant. Okay, do you know how to spell elephant, Min-an?
No.
Okay, okay, just like this. Okay. Oh, okay, you say finish if you're done.
Finish.
Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Wait for a moment. Okay, this one. What is this?
Is a hippo.
Okay, can you write the word hippo? Min-an, and do you know how to spell it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, how about this one?
Is a giraffe.
Okay. Can you say this is a giraffe?
This is a giraffe.
Okay, do you know how to spell giraffe?
No.
Okay, so you okay, take a look my spelling. Okay.